I, Navanajan of class 11th St. Lawrence Public Senior Secondary School, is now going to tell you how has the COVID-19 pandemic has changed the world. Dealing with the unexpected challenge of COVID-19, pandemic has taken a significant toll on people across the world. Medical news has spoken to different people from across the countries and nations to ask them how the COVID-19 pandemic has affected their lives. According to official reports, 200 countries and territories have registered COVID-19 cases in their countries. The world is buzzing with a question that how will the world look like after the pandemic is over? I and my 5 colleagues, Akshita, Aryan, Radhika and Shiv, are going to tell you how the world has changed and what changes has taken in different sectors of the world.
Hope you all are well and safe. I am going to tell you about the financial state during the pandemic. What does this pandemic mean for the global economy? As no one knows about the duration of this pandemic, so analysts fear that the global economy may slip into a recession. The International Monetary Fund has compared the global gross domestic product of 2019 and 2020. As you can see that it has fallen from 2.9% to 1.6%. As due to the shortage in the components, the industry are not able to make the products. Due to this, they are worst affected. The OPEC has proposed to the curb oil output. There is fall in the prices of oil. The Indian gem and jewelry makers are expecting a loss of about 1 billion. Thank you.
Hey everyone, as we all are suffering from coronavirus pandemic and don't know when this will end up, so all the negative things which are occurring in our surrounding, either people are losing their job, migrants are on road, or locusts are killing farmers' crop will affect our psychological state. So answer is yes. After this pandemic, suicide cases will increase and depression will become common. So what we can do? Well, I suggest you to adopt only one habit of all leaders and millionaires, that is reading. Yes, reading. Reading can really help you to change your life and can help you to improve yourself and can protect you from all psychological stress. Well, according to a study, an average CEO reads at least 3 to 4 books a month. So start working on this habit. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Radhika and I am going to tell you the possible changes you can bring in your behavior during this period of lockdown. We all know that we are in the midst of a global pandemic and there is no denying that the spread of the disease can be incredibly overwhelming. But if we see the positive side of the issue, we can realize that the virus is giving us a golden opportunity to dive deep into ourselves and find the flaws within us. People after this lockdown will be more energetic than they were ever before. So rather than sulking and being depressed about the situation, we should be thankful for this condition, that this is giving us an opportunity to start our journey in a new and enthusiastic way.